Hi there, today we're going to learn how to use event pages in Squarespace. Squarespace are a great way to let visitors of your website know if you have an event coming up. So in order to start, let's just go to pages. And from here, let's add a new page. And then we will click events. After clicking the events, you can choose some different templates right here. So I'll choose the second one. And then from here, the events 2 page is now created, and let's click on it. And then here is your event page. In order to edit an event, just click on it. And then we can edit some of its contents. So what we'll do, click on these 3 dots right here and then click on settings. Then from here you can change different things such as the date and time of the event, the thumbnail of the event. For example, I will remove this image and then you can add your own image right here. For example, I will add an image of a car. And you can do that as well. And then for the excerpt, you can write some quick description from here for your event. Like that. And then you can change the event URL, you can change the author name, and then you can also put a source URL. Then you can change other things such as options if this is publish or a draft, or you will schedule this particular event before viewing it here on the events page. You can also put some tags on this event and categories, and if you want the users to comment on your event. And then you can also trigger it if this is a featured event for your website. Some other things is the search engine optimization. This will let Google know or other search engines know about your event so that it will be easily searchable. So you can put an SEO title right here and then an SEO description. For the social image, you can also put an image right here. So it can just be the same as the image that you have right here, or it can be different. So it depends on your preference. And then for the share, if you want to share this event to social media, you can connect social media websites right here like Facebook, Twitter, and so on and so forth. And then for the location, you will just enter the location of your event right here. So if you're done editing your event, you can just save it, and then it will reflect in your events page right here. And then you can click on it and like that. And then that is how you use the events page in Squarespace. I hope you learned how to use it to your website, and thank you for watching.